For travelers like us from Saudi Arabia, a trip to Georgia, especially to the breathtaking Gudauri ski resort, surprisingly easy and incredibly rewarding. One of the biggest advantages is that residents of Saudi Arabia can enjoy visa-free entry to Georgia, making the whole journey smooth and stress-free from the very beginning. The adventure usually starts from major cities like Jeddah, Riyadh, or Dammam. From these cities, you can catch direct or connecting flights to Tbilisi, which is the main international gateway into the country. Airlines such as Flynas and Air Arabia often operate affordable routes, making Georgia a popular getaway for residents looking for a quick escape from the desert heat. The flight itself typically takes around 3 to 4 hours, just enough time to relax, enjoy the journey, and get excited about what's ahead. As you approach Tbilisi, the views begin to change dramatically. The dry landscapes of the Arabian Peninsula give way to lush valleys, winding rivers, and eventually the snow-covered peaks of the Caucasus Mountains. Once you land in Tbilisi, the experience continues with a scenic drive of about 2 to 3 hours along the famous Georgian military highway. This road is an attraction on its own, passing through dramatic mountain scenery, rivers, and viewpoints that feel like something out of a movie. Many travelers even stop along the way at the Russia-Georgia Friendship Monument to take photos and soak in the incredible views. Arriving in Gudauri feels like stepping into a winter wonderland, completely different from life in Saudi Arabia. The cool mountain air, thick blankets of snow, and peaceful surroundings instantly set the tone for an unforgettable holiday. Whether it's your first time seeing snow or you're coming for the adventure, the contrast alone makes the trip feel special. For Saudi residents, this journey is not just about travel, it's about experiencing something entirely new. From visa-free entry to a short, convenient flight and a stunning mountain drive, everything about the trip is easy and accessible. And once you're there, skiing, paragliding, enjoying Georgian food, and relaxing in the snowy mountains, it quickly becomes a trip full of memories, excitement, and pure enjoyment.
Gudauri Ski Resort is one of the most exciting mountain destinations in the Caucasus. Perched high along the historic Georgian military highway in the stunning Greater Caucasus Mountains. Sitting at around 2,200 meters above sea level, Gudauri is famous for its wide-open alpine terrain, reliable snow, and a laid-back atmosphere that blends adventure with breathtaking natural beauty. What makes Gudauri truly special is its terrain. Unlike many ski resorts that are heavily forested, Gudauri offers vast, treeless slopes that stretch endlessly across the mountains. This means uninterrupted panoramic views in every direction, snow-covered peaks, deep valleys, and dramatic ridgelines that feel almost untouched. The ski season typically runs from December to April, with consistent powder snow that attracts both beginners and expert riders. Skiing and snowboarding are the main highlights here. The resort features a modern lift system, including gondolas and high-speed chairlifts, that take visitors up to elevations of over 3,200 meters. Beginners can enjoy gentle, wide slopes near the base, perfect for learning and building confidence. Intermediate skiers have access to long cruising runs, while advanced riders can explore steep descents, off-piste routes, and deep powder fields. Gudauri is especially famous for free riding, skiing off marked trails, thanks to its avalanche-safe zones and expansive open terrain. For those seeking an extra adrenaline rush, heli-skiing is one of Gudauri's most iconic experiences. Helicopters drop skiers and snowboarders onto remote, untouched peaks where fresh powder awaits. It's a surreal experience, standing on a silent mountaintop with nothing but endless snowfields ahead before carving your way down. Paragliding is another unforgettable activity. Launching from the mountain slopes, you can glide high above the resort, taking in sweeping views of the Caucasus while floating peacefully in the crisp alpine air. It's both thrilling and serene at the same time, offering a completely different perspective of the landscape. Snowmobiling is popular for those who want speed and exploration combined. Guided tours take you across snowy trails, up ridges, and into scenic viewpoints that are otherwise hard to reach. There's also sledding and tubing, which are perfect for families or anyone looking for simple, fun-filled moments in the snow. Gudauri isn't just about high adrenaline sports. The atmosphere is relaxed and welcoming, making it a great destination even for non-skiers. You can take scenic gondola rides up the mountains just to enjoy the views, sip hot drinks at cozy cafes, or relax in mountain restaurants serving traditional Georgian cuisine. Dishes like khinkali and khachapuri are must-tries, often enjoyed alongside local wines or warm beverages after a day in the snow. Après-ski culture in Gudauri is lively but not overly commercialized. As the sun sets behind the peaks, the resort comes alive with music, social gatherings, and a friendly international crowd. Bars and lodges host casual parties where travelers share stories from the slopes, creating a sense of community that's easy to be part of. For those who want to explore beyond the resort, the surrounding region offers incredible sightseeing opportunities. A short drive away is the Russia-Georgia Friendship Monument, a colorful Soviet-era structure perched on a cliff with panoramic views of the valleys below. It's one of the most photographed spots in the area, and a perfect place to capture the scale and beauty of the Caucasus. Accommodation in Gudauri ranges from budget-friendly hostels to comfortable hotels and luxury chalets, many with ski and ski-out access. Equipment rental shops and ski schools are widely available, making it easy for first-time visitors to get started. Overall, Gudauri Ski Resort is more than just a place to ski. It's an all-in-one winter adventure destination. Whether you're carving down powdery slopes, flying above the mountains, racing across snow on a snowmobile, or simply enjoying the peaceful beauty of the Caucasus, Gudauri offers an experience that feels both thrilling and unforgettable.